What Dubb has done for a long time now and is proven itself out, that's why we still exist, is that sending videos is a great way to break through a lot of the other messaging. So there are different ways to break through in terms of different ways to record videos. But the first thing you always want to figure out, like we were just talking with the top with Alvin, is you want to figure out your hook. You need to figure out what's the reason that you're reaching out. And you got to have that reason for them to want to click. This can be cold, warm, referral. It doesn't really matter. There should be a reason for them. What's that value you're bringing? So when you think about the hook, the easiest way to do it is, we use Dubb Agent, our AI tool. But you can use, if you have a free account with like Claude or ChatGPT or Grok or Gemini, you can still describe who your industry is, right? You got to describe to the AI who your ICP is, your ideal client profile folks. Who are these people? It doesn't have to be an intense description, just enough so the AI understands it. And then you want to be able to say, look, based on these people, tell the AI the action that you're taking, whether you're reaching out on LinkedIn, you're doing email, you're doing SMS, you're doing all the different ways to reach out. What's the value you're conveying? What are you trying to convey to this person, and what action do you want them to take? Do you want them to book a time in your calendar? Do you want them to, download something? What is the full picture of what you're doing? And when you describe that, then you want to specifically ask the AI to do something, and I'm going to show you what that thing is right here. This is Dubb Studio that we're going to talk about in a second. This is where you record videos. This is where all the recording action happens, landing pages, buttons, everything we're going to talk about in a second. This little drop down right here is Dubb Agent, the AI tool that does the doing. So when you click on this here, it's going to take you through a doorway and it's going to pop you over here. And this is what we're going to talk about after we talk about recording videos. But the reason I mentioned this first is because we talked about getting hooks, right? So to get hooks, this is something you can do. See right here how I asked Dubb Agent right here? I said, okay, here's my ICP. This is who they are. I need a 3 to 5 word hook phrase. Give me a bunch of them that I can use in my video so someone's going to want to click. We've got to make it appetizing and attractive. But I want it to be short and punchy. So when you ask the AI to do this, in this case, Dubb Agent, it's going to give me a nice list here. And when I have this list, then I can apply it to the videos and the text that I'm going to record in a way I'm going to show you right now. So with an AI tool that you can ask this, or with Dubb Agent, come right in here, describe your ICP, ask for these hooks. Once you have the hooks, then you can come right over here to Dubb Studio and say, okay, I want to record some videos. Now, what do these videos look like? There are different styles to these videos. Webcam videos are probably the simplest to record. You're sitting right in front of your webcam. I have the Dubb mobile app on my phone. If you don't have the Dubb app yet, definitely check it out. Dubbapp Dubb app. And there's a whiteboard feature where you can type on this thing. And that's what I'm doing right there. And that's why I want these short 3 to 5 word hook phrases. So I can type it on the whiteboard and I can have a nice short phrase up here in the subject line or in an SMS or in a LinkedIn message. Right to the point. Now, what you're looking at here is an animated video GIF preview. So when I hit record with Dubb, any way that I'm going to show you to record, the first 3 seconds are going to repeat for someone like this. See how it keeps repeating? So what you want to do is you want to have some engaging stuff going on. We got a hook here. I'm pointing and moving the phone a little bit. It doesn't have to be a full-on performance, just a little bit of movement to bring it to life. Now, technically, inside the Dubb platform, you can upload your own thumbnail or you can slide it to a different part of the video if you like it better visually, kind of like you can with social media videos. But really, to be efficient, it's a good idea to know that when you hit record, the first 3 seconds, whatever you're doing, that's what's going to be repeating. And notice I'm speaking. I'm starting the video, boom, I'm starting to talk, I'm doing my thing, and it's just going to repeat this. This is a very straightforward way to give someone a hook because it's right there in front of their face and it's easy to do right from your webcam.
Hey, it's Darius, the co-founder of Dubb. Thank you so much for checking out this video. To get more trainings just like this, subscribe to this channel and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We're happy to help. See you in the next one. Thanks.